Hi, my name is Julie Loosbrock, and I am the Senior Vice President of HR for Deluxe Corporation. I'm really excited to talk to you today because I want to talk to you a little bit first about the transformation that Deluxe has been going through in the last 10 years. And then what I want to talk about really is the transformation that HR has been going through and the great opportunities that we have within HR to really make a significant impact in the business, and not only for the business but also within the HR function and also personal growth and development. So first about Deluxe. Deluxe is known as a check printer, has been known as a check printer, but about in 2009 in earnest we started on this path to say not only is the legacy important and we still want to honor that check printing, that paper product, those forms, because that brings in a lot of money and we serve a lot of our clients providing that, those types of products. We have also moved not only in our small business organization but in our financial services organization to be much more of a technology company. From a small business perspective, we really serve the small businesses all the way from kind of when they have an idea in their mind about a passion that they have to start a small business. We can help them from that point when they're thinking about their business. What's the name? What's the URL I need? What kind of a website do I need? How do I reach out to customers? That whole pipeline from start of their business all the way through everything that they need in services or products along the way. In terms of financial services, we've been known to financial institutions as the check provider, but we are now also known in the technology space, in the fintech space, where we are providing solutions for financial institutions to understand their client base, to reach out in different ways through technology, through social media, to understand the needs of the customers and give them different kinds of products and services and help the financial institutions solidify those relationships. So you can see in this transformation, we have to hire all kinds of different people. We have to have people for our legacy side. We also have to have people in the technology side. And our culture has changed significantly in terms of the legacy culture and kind of this fast-moving, entrepreneurial, innovative kind of a culture. Both are important, and we need to bring them together to be the most successful company now and in the future.